Hello students, now in this video we will start the first lesson of 9th standard from Maths 2, that is basic concept in geometry. Okay, from Maths 1 we finish 2 lessons, so we start third lesson from this 9th standard from Maths 2. The first lesson from Maths 2 is basic concept in geometry. Okay, under this title basic concept in geometry, the first point is given as the coordinate of points and distance. ये उसका first point है. Okay, to understand this, consider this number line. We know this real number line. Okay, here we took some points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 है ना. We give them names. Okay, for 0 we give them give that 0.0 as O. Okay, here I take A, here B, here C, here D. Okay, then E, F, G and H. Now the definition of coordinate of point. Coordinate of point. So coordinate of point is nothing but the number associated with the given point. Here this A is called the point A. Okay, point B, point C, point D. We name those points 1, 2, 3, 4 as A, B, C, D and so on. Okay, so the number associated with this given point or given name, that number is called coordinate of that point. जो भी point रहेगा है ना, जैसे point A हमने बोले उसको नाम दिया हमने A, B, C, D, यहाँ पर नाम दिया हुआ है, बराबर है. तो जो point रहेगा वो point से associated, उससे related, उससे connected जो भी number रहेगा, that number is called coordinate of that point. Okay, so here coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A is, what is the coordinate of point A? The number associated with that point A is 1. So the coordinate of point A is 1. Similarly, coordinate of point C is, it is 3. The coordinate of point F is, it is -2. Getting this? Coordinate of point H is -4. Getting this? Okay. Okay. Now the second part is distance. Second part is distance. The distance between, for this figure, the distance between points A and D, is denoted by distance of A comma D. A comma D. Distance. D stands for distance. Okay. A comma D. A comma D means we have to find the distance between point A and point D. Okay. Here coordinate of point A is 1. Coordinate of point D is 4. Here coordinate of point A is 1 and coordinate of point D is 4. So distance of AD we can find by taking subtraction of their coordinates. Distance is always positive, so we have to subtract the small coordinate from the greater one. So here greater coordinate is 4, so we have to subtract this one from 4. So you will get 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So this 3 is nothing but the distance between the points A and D. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the large coordinate. बड़ा जो कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा वो बड़े कोऑर्डिनेट में से स्मॉल कोऑर्डिनेट को क्या करना है, तुमको माइनस करने का है. तो तुमको क्या मिलेगा? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दोस टू पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. ओके. सिमिलरली हियर डिस्टेंस ऑफ, हियर वी कैन राइट इट एज 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. ओके. डिस्टेंस ऑफ AG, डिस्टेंस ऑफ AG और वी कैन टेक BG. डिस्टेंस ऑफ BG we have to find. So coordinate of point B is 2 and coordinate of G is -3. Coordinate of point G is -3. So which coordinate is greater here? 2 is greater. Positive number is always greater. So we have to subtract this small coordinate from the greater one. So we have to subtract this -3 from 2. So 2 minus -3. So the distance will be 2 and this minus plus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. So in this way we have to find the distance between 2 points. Now we have to find distance of EH. Distance of EH is equal to distance of EH. Now the coordinate of E is -1 and coordinate of H is -4. On number line, right side coordinate is always greater. Remember this, right side coordinate. And here this -1 is on right side of this -4. So -1 is greater now. Okay, so -1 minus -4. ठीक है, ये स्मॉल कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा -4, वो स्मॉल कोऑर्डिनेट को ग्रेटर कोऑर्डिनेट में से क्या करना है हमको माइनस करना. दोनों को माइनस साइन आई. नाउ विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर, -1 और -4? सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जो राइट साइड में जो कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा. कंपेयरिंग टू कोऑर्डिनेट्स, द राइट साइड कोऑर्डिनेट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू -1, this minus minus plus 4, and here different signs are there. When different signs are there, always take subtraction. So 4 minus 1, it is 3, and just put the greater number sign. Greater number is 4, which has positive sign. So the answer is +3. So distance of EH is equal to 3. बोलो इसके अंदर कोई डाउट है? कर सकते हैं ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स हम लोग. हाँ, so in this way we have to solve the first example from practice set 1.1. The first question from practice set 1.1 is find the distances with the help of the number line given below. Here this number line is given, name of the points are also given. So only 3 examples I will show, remaining examples you have to solve. First distance we have to find as distance BE. Distance BE. Okay. Now first find the coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B, which is 2, and coordinate of point E is 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. So just take subtraction of this. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Simple example. Okay. Second one I took as distance OE. Distance OE. Now coordinate of point O is 0 and coordinate of E is again 5. So 5 is greater. So we subtract 0 from 5. So 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5 only. Okay. Third distance I take as distance QB. Distance QB. Now here B is 2. Coordinate of point B is 2 and Q is -5. So 2 is on right hand side. Okay. Of this -5. So this 2 is always greater. So just subtract -5 from 2. So you will get 2 minus -5. That is equal to 2 minus plus 5. That is equal to 7. Yes, any doubt in this? So in this way you have to solve this question number 1. Now the question number 2. Now here, if the coordinate of A is x, coordinate of A is x and coordinate of B is y. Okay, and here value of x and y are given. Total 6 examples are there. Out of 6, 2 examples I will show, remaining 3 examples I will show, remaining 3 examples you have to solve. Okay, so first example I took here as x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -2. Y is equal to -2 and we have to find distance AB. So here x is nothing but the coordinate of point x, point A, and y is nothing but the coordinate of point B. Okay, and we have to find the distance AB. Distance AB we have to find. So which coordinate is greater? Remember, one coordinate is positive and another is negative, then positive coordinate is always greater. Okay, so we subtract this -2 from 6, so you will get 6 minus this -2. Okay, that is equal to 6. This minus plus 2, that is equal to 8. That is the answer. Okay, for first. Second example I took as x is equal to -4 and y is equal to -5. Y is equal to -5. Then distance AB is equal to now x is equal to -4, y is equal to -5. If you observe and number line those two numbers -4 and -5, then -4 is on the right side of this -5. So -4 is always greater. Okay, -4 is greater. So subtract -5 from -4. So you will get -4 minus -5. So you will get as -4 minus plus 5. That is equal to, now here different signs are there. One is positive, one is negative. Always do subtraction. So 5 minus 4, that is 1, and put the greater number sign. Greater number is 5, that has positive sign. Answer is plus 1. Getting this? Okay. Now next example is x is equal to minus 3, or I'll take here as that is also I took now. Okay, we'll take any one. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8. Okay, then distance AB is equal to, it is x minus y, that is equal to 4 minus 8, that is equal to 4 minus plus 8, that is equal to 4 plus 8, that is 12. Okay, so in this way we have to solve question number 1 and question number 2 from practice set 1.1. Okay, now the next topic is betweenness. Betweenness property. Betweenness, here we consider 3 points A, P, Q and R are 3 points. Then there are 3 possibilities. Okay, in first figure, point Q is in between P and R. Okay, in this case point P is in between Q and R, right? And here point R is in between P and Q. Okay, now these are the 3 possibilities. Either Q is in between P and R, P is between Q and R, and here point R is in between P and Q, if we consider 3 points. Okay, so for this first figure, if distance PR is equal to distance PQ plus distance QR, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? डिस्टेंस PR मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस, ये होल डिस्टेंस PR इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस PQ प्लस डिस्टेंस QR. ये दोनों डिस्टेंस के एडिशन ये थर्ड PR डिस्टेंस के इक्वल अगर आती रहेगी, then we say that point Q is in between P and R and denoted by P dash Q dash R. Okay, in this way we denote P dash Q dash R when if distance of PR is equal to distance PQ plus distance QR. ऐसा distance PR is equal to distance PQ plus QR, then we say that point Q is in between P and R. तो point Q जो है वो P और R के कैसे रहेगा? बीच में रहेगा, between रहेगा. Okay, and we denote in notation form it as P dash Q dash R. That means these 3 points are collinear points and point Q is in between P and R. इसका मतलब होता है ये. Okay, now in this case for second figure, if distance QR is equal to distance QP plus distance PR, then we say that point P is in between Q and R and we denote it as Q dash P dash R, like that. Okay, now in this third case, if distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance RQ, then we say that this point R is in between P and Q. Okay, and we denote it as P dash R dash Q. So this is the definition of betweenness. Okay, and by using this definition we have to solve question number 3. Now the question number 3 is from the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two if the points are not collinear state so. ठीक है, अब हमको क्या करना है? Find which of the point is between the other two. कौन सा पॉइंट कौन से 2 पॉइंट के बीच में है ये फाइंड करना है. If the points are not collinear state so, अगर वो पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर नहीं है वो भी तुमको बताना है. Not collinear. Okay, So first example I took here, total 6 examples are given. Out of 6, 3 examples I'll show, remaining 3 examples you have to solve. So first, distance of PR is equal to 7, distance of PQ is equal to 10 and distance of QR is equal to 3. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर क्या करेंगे, जो ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस रहेगा वो पहले लिखेंगे हम लोग इन सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस इज डिस्टेंस PQ, so here we write distance PQ is equal to 10. Okay, then find the addition of remaining two distances, that is distance PR plus distance QR. Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3 and that is equal to 10. If you observe those numbers, this is 10, this is also 10, therefore we write equation it as distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. आ गया, यानी इक्वेशन मिल गई तुमको. सेम डिस्टेंस PQ is equal to distance PQ, here in this case distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR or RQ will do. Okay, so यहाँ पे इक्वेशन मिल गई. Therefore we write, therefore the points are collinear. पॉइंट्स कैसे रहेंगे, ये कोलिनियर रहेंगे. एंड पॉइंट R is in between P and Q. In between P and Q. अब ये मैंने पॉइंट R कैसे डिसाइड किया, ठीक है. तो हमने जो दो डिस्टेंस की एडिशन की, डिस्टेंस PR प्लस डिस्टेंस QR, उसके अंदर देखो कौन सा पॉइंट कॉमन आता है. So here point R comes common in both the distances. So that point R is between the point P and Q. ठीक है, ऐसा उसको याद रखेंगे. Okay. Now second example is distance LM. Distance LM is equal to 11. Distance MN is equal to 12. And third distance, that is distance NL is equal to 8. Okay, so here the greater distance is distance MN, that is equal to 12. Okay, now take addition of remaining two distances, that is distance LM plus distance NL, that is equal to 11 plus 8, that is equal to 19. But both distances are not equal, and therefore distance MN is not equal to distance LM plus distance NL. ठीक है, ये एडिशन के इक्वल नहीं है थर्ड डिस्टेंस अपना. एंड देयरफॉर पॉइंट्स L, M, N are not collinear. Those 3 points are not collinear points. Okay, in this way you have to write. Now last one is distance DE. Distance DE is equal to 5. Second, distance EF is equal to 8. And third distance DF is equal to 6. Okay, so the here greater distance is distance EF. So distance EF is equal to 8. It is given. Now take addition of those two distances, that is distance DE plus distance DF, that is equal to 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11, and therefore distance EF is not equal to distance DE plus distance DF. Okay, and therefore points D, E and F are not collinear. बोलो क्या डाउट है इसके अंदर. In this way you have to solve this question number 3. Remaining 3 examples you have to solve. आगे के 3 examples ये तुम लोग solve करेंगे, ठीक है. Now the next example is points X, Y, Z are collinear points. Points X, Y, Z are collinear points such that distance XY is equal to 17 and distance YZ is equal to 8. Then find distance XZ. Distance XZ find करना है. Okay. So these 3 points are collinear points. So there may be 3 possibilities. 3 possibilities हो सकते हैं. Okay, so in that the first possibility is if x dash y dash z, if x dash y dash z, that means point y is in between x and z, in that case distance of xz is equal to distance of xy plus distance of yz. Okay, now distance of xy is given, that is 17, plus distance of yz, that is 8, is equal to 17 plus 8, that is 25 units. Okay, so this is distance xz. Okay, this is the first case. Now second case, if x dash z dash y, x dash z dash y, in this case is it possible to find distance xz? So distance xy is equal to, here distance xy is equal to distance xz plus distance zy or yz. Okay, now distance xy is given, that is 17 is equal to distance xz. We have to find distance xz, and thirdly that is distance zy, that value is also given, and distance zy or yz, that is 8. Okay, so 17 minus 8 is equal to distance xz. Take this plus 8 on left hand side, it get minus. Okay, and 17 minus 8, that is nothing but 9, is equal to distance xz. Okay, and therefore distance xz is equal to 9. Okay, now the third case is if y dash x dash z, that means point x is in between y and z, in that case distance of yz is equal to distance of yx or xy plus distance of xz. Now yz is 8 here, 8 is equal to xy, it is 17 plus distance of xz. Okay, so you'll get 8 minus 17 is equal to distance xz, distance xz. Okay, so distance xz equal to how much? Distance xz is equal to 8 minus 17, and 8 minus 17 is minus 9. 8 minus 17 is minus 9, which is not possible because distance is always positive. Because distance is always positive. Sadia, Here if you observe, the distance between x and z is negative comes, therefore this possibility is not possible in this case. If x, y, z are three collinear points, then we can't find distance of xz when point x is in between y and z. Okay, and therefore which is here we can write it as here distance of xz is equal to -9 is not acceptable, as the distance between two points is always non-negative real number, okay, and therefore the required value of distance xz is 25 or 9. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example number. This is the example number 5. Okay, same example you have to solve as question number 4. Question number 6 is like this: sketch proper figure and write the answer of the following questions. Okay, total 3 examples are given. Out of 3 I took here one example, remaining 2 examples you have to solve. Now here distance between 2 points, just see here distance between 2 points. Here point A is there, this is the point B, then distance between A and B, this distance, okay, is denoted by distance of AB, right? But if you join A and B, then this forms segment AB. Okay, and distance between this 2 point AB is nothing but length of segment AB also. Both values are same. Therefore here we took, if x, y, z are 3 collinear points, then length of xz is equal to 3 root 7, length of xy is equal to root 7, then length of yz is equal to how much? Okay, so by using that betweenness property, we start solution like this. Since x dash, y dash, z, these 3 points are collinear points, and therefore length of xz is equal to length of xy plus length of yz. Okay, now length of xz is given, that is 3 root 7, it is given, is equal to length of xy, that is also given, root 7 plus length of yz. Okay, so you will get 3 root 7. Take this root 7 on left hand side, it comes as minus root 7 is equal to length of yz, and therefore 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7, subtraction of 2 thirds are there, so 3 minus 1, that is 2 root 7 is common between them, length of yz, and therefore length of yz is equal to 2 root 7. Okay, in this way last remaining 2 examples you have to solve. Then next question number 7 is there. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points, non-collinear points. Okay, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? So here point A is there, here point B is there, and here point C is there, and if you join them, then which figure is formed here? If 3 non-collinear points are there, and when we join them, then you will get a triangle. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this practice set 1.1. Now next topic we'll see in next video. Thank you.